NIIMBL bioLOGIC is a special program because it focuses on that next generation of the workforce. The program is designed to help students become more familiar with biological medicines, how they're made, and how they help improve patients' lives.
It focuses specifically on our students that are going into the biotech program through Wake Tech. So we design a high school program that then leads into a college program their junior and senior year that is hyper-focused in biotechnology.
Our teacher, Ms. T, worked really hard to get us into the NIIMBL program. And I think my favorite part of it was just being able to work with my classmates and some mentors and just being able to collaborate and get so much innovation in a project. Like really the sky was the limit.
My students work in 3 steps. During the first step, they research the disease, genetic disorder. During the second step, they come up with the product based on their research. And during the third step, they market their product with their business model.
It's just really important that we continue to build the talent pipeline. NIIMBL bioLOGIC is part of that.
There's dozens of biotechnology businesses just throwing distance from here.
The training opportunities, the job opportunities all exist right here in North Carolina.
This program helps prepare students for all the steps along the way to give them not just the confidence they need, but the information that backs up their confidence. Like they know what they're talking about.
The reason why I joined the NIIMBL project is because I love biotechnology. I love the innovation in the field and the opportunities it provides.
The most exciting part for me was having a completed project that we could show off and share our experience and knowledge about.
They really took the opportunity that was given to them and just ran with it. You can see the passion in their voices when they are presenting their information. Like they care about this disease that they were researching and they care to see what's going to happen next. I wouldn't be at all surprised if they go into additional research later because it has just hit them so close to home.
What I enjoy most about NIIMBL bioLOGIC is its ability to give you a more open kind of concept into starting the project.
You know, it's giving me experience, kind of like just cemented in my mind that yes, I want to do research. Like, yes, this is what I want to do like every day for the rest of my life, basically.
We're giving them a really good runway to take off into that land.